Howdy, I'm Andy Young. I'm a teacher at Harper College. This summer I'm going to be teaching a class called Spelling Strategies. And strategy or strategies means plans or a way of doing something, okay? So we're going to think of ways to improve our spelling, tools and ways of making us be able to spell our words correctly. The ESL number is 058021. The CRN is 90718. The class runs from June 9 till August 1st, and it meets Tuesdays and Thursday nights from 8:20 till 10 p.m. Okay? Now, what are we going to do in spelling strategies? We have lots of things to do. We have lots of work to try and practice, but some main ideas are we're going to work on sounds and words. So one thing that helps people learn how to spell, and this is how I learned how to spell when I was a little boy, is that we have things that we call short vowels and long vowels. And the difference between a short vowel and a long vowel is shown here in these two words. Now, hop. Hop means jump up and down, like a bunny rabbit, okay? Or like when you're dancing, you can hop, or you hop over something, okay? Now, that sound is hop, ah. We call that a short sound. Now, this word, hope, hope. The difference is this word on this E on the end of hop now becomes hope and makes this O sound long. So you can hear the difference if I say them together. Hop, hope, hop, hope. Now, knowing that these sounds go for certain words that have E or don't have E, that's a spelling strategy that can help you. We're also going to study word and word parts. And that includes roots and affixes. And I think in ESL, people study these all the time, so I think many of these will be familiar. If not, you'll learn them this time, and when you take a writing class, they'll be familiar. But roots are the base of the word, and then the affixes you may know as suffix and prefix. So prefix and suffix together are affixes. They're also going to practice spelling techniques. And one of the techniques we're going to use is you're only going to be able to use an English dictionary. It will not be able to be your native language and then an English dictionary. Now, that's harder, but the way to learn how to spell is to spell only in English and to use a dictionary that only provides English spellings. Okay? So when there's a word that you don't know how to spell, you can get it from the sound, you can get it from the short vowel or the long vowel, and then you have to practice getting that rather than finding it in your own language and then sort of going backwards to English. We want you to start in English, and you'll be using an English dictionary. Also, we're going to work on commonly misspelled words, and I can tell you one word that's frequently misspelled is misspelled. So that's one that native speakers have problems with. And there's even some problems I always, when I'm spelling words, I have to go, is this right or is that right? And so there's many words that are difficult to spell in English, and we're going to work on some of those words. Okay, so in spelling strategies, I really hope this class is going to help you, because if you can learn how to spell, that's going to help you when you take a reading class and you have to write answers to test questions, and it's going to help you in writing. Okay, so when you have to write papers or write essays, you'll be able to spell the words correctly. It'll also help you in business. If you're leaving a note for somebody or you want to write a letter to somebody, then knowing spelling strategies will help you write that letter effectively. And then also if you have children and your children are sick and you want to write a note to the teacher and explain what happened, it's very helpful to have these spelling strategies so that you can spell the words correctly. So there's lots of opportunity to use this. This has lots of applications, and I hope if you're not doing anything this summer, you'd like to take this class and we'll learn how to improve our spelling.